Hello everypony, and welcome to yet another toy review. The balloon and the castle review are going to be put on hold because I may add stuff to them. Especially, I want to add a review section to the castle. So, in the meantime, be looking at the Glimmer Wings Fluttershy, and actually, I still have my Fluttershy bridesmaid there. So this will be my second Fluttershy toy I have, but this one has wings. And actually, she doesn't have her Pegasus wings, she has giant dragonfly wings instead. See that? The glitter. This was a pony wedding promotion toy, apparently. So dragonfly. Oh, they actually kept the colors right. Pink and yellow. Pink and yellow. It's pretty interesting. Of course, that one's got a lot more stuff on it than the actual wings, but... Oh, wait, what are you going to do? Fluttershy thinks her dragonfly friend's wings are beautiful. She imagines how she would look with wings like that. So this is kind of like inside of Fluttershy's head of what she would look like with wings like that. Where is it? Includes pony figure and dragonfly. And actually, wings move. So, without further ado, let's get the box open. Okay. Anything comes with a thing inside the cardboard there. Interesting. Advertising the pony wedding. So let's take her out of the box. It's very interesting. Of course, she has one of these hair clips. So annoying. Okay. Pull her. There we go. Okay. Now, it says the wings move. Yes, that's it. They don't move on their own. Like, you push a button and they flap. What you do is, she just stands. You can open up the wings. That's all I think she can do. There's not really any instructions that come with a toy like this. Yeah, that's it. She comes with a dragonfly buddy, which is just like that one I have for the castle, except different colors. Well, she didn't come with a comb or anything for her hair. But anyway, that's all the Glimmer Wings can do, I guess. It has to be. If her head's turned like this, the wings stay open, and it's finicky, to say the least. But unlike her wedding pony toy there, she's got a one with her hoof up, along with her cutie mark. So I guess, all in all, it's a nice looking toy, but I wish the wings would do more. But I guess as you can't really ask a lot from a toy like this. So I guess that's all you can review for this toy, and no accessories or anything. So, well, this has been the toy review for Glimmer Wings Fluttershy. See you all next time. Bye bye.